Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for June 21st through July 5th. Excuse me. For July 21st to 25th, we have a trough here in the north or the west, trough here over the northeast, and a fairly deep ridge here in the middle of the country. Now you're looking at the various models. This is the GFS. We go with time, it kind of strengthens it a little bit and gets suppressed. Then we look at the, this is the European, has a strong ridge, fluctuates strength and time. But all in all, you can see this is what we're forecasting. We have a ridge here blocking here across the North Atlantic. Now, during this period, we will have several systems that will be riding over the top of the ridge. And this will call, bring rain and storms to the region. You can see here, we'll go to 21st. Here comes the next one across the northern states. You can see it right here. And then the ridge in the west will cause hot temperatures for much of the southern states, with anomalies possibly near 20 degrees above normal. And then we'll have monsoon-type moisture moving into the Four Corners. And then we go through further in the period, we'll have a front that will be extending in the Central Plains that will cause rain and storms, possibly heavy rain across portions of the plains. Look at the period for June 26th to 30th. The westerlies are forecast across the north here, and we have a trough over the northwest and still over the northeast, tendency for that. Seeing some of the models right here and here. So, and then we'll have a ridge across the remainder of the country. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for below normal temperatures here, and I'm calling for anomalies to be about 2 to 4 degrees below normal, above normal temperatures forecast here, with anomalies that could reach 12 degrees or more in some locations. Okay, for precipitation, calling for, no, that's the wrong map. I get the right map. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here, and for this region, and the probability occurrence is 35%, and then we have above normal precipitation here, and the probability of occurrence is as high as 55% across this region. Looking ahead for the period for July 1st to the 5th, you can see that we had a tendency for a trough again in the east, ridge in the west during this forecast period. Oops. Why can't I get this to appear? Here we go. The P&A will favor the ridge in the west, a positive P&A. So we have to see how this straightens out. So ridge in the west, trough in the east. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for above normal temperatures here, and I'm calling for anomalies to be near or exceed 12 degrees in some places, mainly around here, and below normal temperatures forecast here, with anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees below normal. And for precipitation, calling for a little change in the precipitation anomalies from the previous period. So that's a long range weather forecast discussion for June 21st and July 5th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.